Hey everyone, it's Rob Ross here with the Ross Group at Intercoastal Mortgage. Real estate agents, more importantly, listing agents, listen up. I have a system that I've actually been using effectively now for about 15 years. And that system is called RatePlug. It is a system that is linked directly to your MLS account. You can have up to 3 lenders on it, so as much as I want to be your only preferred lender, I understand sometimes you have a few of us to choose from, and that's okay with me. But RatePlug is something that I as a lender sign up for and we pay for. So this is a free service to you because it's part of your subscription dues through MLS. What this does and why is there an advantage? Well, there's going to be lending information on your listings when you have them listed in RatePlug, or MLS for that matter. You're going to have open house flyers sent directly to you every Thursday or Friday from my team. So when you go to that open house on the weekend, you're going to have some nice material to hand out to prospective buyers. It's actually been proven over the last 15 years that by using RatePlug, when a client is searching through the MLS and searching your listings, having those RatePlug links keep them on your listing on average 7 minutes longer. Why is that important? Well, that's 7 minutes longer they might call me. That's 7 minutes longer they might call you, the agent. That's 7 minutes longer that they might be interested in making an offer on your home. So open house flyers, brokers open flyers, more visibility, more SEO for your listings, and us doing all the legwork of getting you those really cool custom flyers, virtual flyers for the weekends. We're going to be able to handle that. So if you're not already part of my RatePlug system, go ahead and ask me, let's set up a phone call, and let's get you signed up for free today. Rob Ross with the Ross Group. We're always working together to serve you better. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll speak with you soon.